How to post Carousel on Facebook. Now, if you're going to be using Carousel or Facebook application via your mobile device, make sure that you're using the latest version of both apps so you will not encounter glitches and crashes in the future. So the process are all the same, but on this method, I'm going to be showing you out from the web version. So first things first is let's just look for any product that we'd like to post or share via Facebook. So for example, this one. Click on the current product you would like to be posted or share on Facebook, and after that, you should be able to see share button and like as well. You will be seeing the same option if you're using the Carousel application. So once you click share button, you should be able to see Facebook. But you just need to make sure that Facebook is currently opened on another page. Now, if you click that, it will automatically be boosted or in a small box and customize the description of the post that you would like to share. Other thing that you can do is to copy the URL of the current product, go to your Facebook account, and then you can paste it here. Once it is uploaded below, you can delete this content or text, and then just simply type the description you would like to add. And that's it. Those are the things that you can do for you to be able to post carousel on Facebook.